Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. D-Wood here with a fresh cut. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this perfect platinum pixie. And I'm also going to be bringing you guys to the barbershop with me. If you guys want an in-depth hair tutorial, I have about 3 different videos on my channel going into great detail how I bleached this hair and how I achieved this hair color. So definitely check out one of those videos if you're looking to see how I really, do my thing. Today's really just going to be like a brief version of that plus a barbershop video. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it.
What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Way I ain't having this weight. And like the third me go out. Hey, what? Hey, look. Now that I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love cause I'm way too awake. And she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. Soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written all over their face. What? Okay, great. I'm in the back room of Wally's. I spent 30,000 on somebody's grapes. Eating this so many pull-ups on niggas, no wonder we getting in shape. Too busy backing my words up with actions to ever go front of your face. What? What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. Way I ain't having this weight. And like the third we go out. Take what? Go to the Drake. Making them fuck niggas pay. Straight at the trap to the play. We gone. Who say they ain't having their way? Who might have a little more on their play? We having our way in 3 ways. OBO scope on the tray. We having our way. Having that shit. Fuck how you take it. We straight from the pagan. I caught me some patience and beat it and rape. Seen they was taking no communication, no invitation, cut off circulation. Blue or the rebel, got it, this the matrix. Crosses all on my body, watch for Satan. I'm having gallery lavish, no talking, we smashing. Smash one in classic, ain't none of this average. Sniper, I'm sniping the bitch, I'm assassin. I piped it, then pipe the bitch up for some action. Don't even be bragging, these little nigga maggots. I don't even flex, this shit be on accident. Fell in my luck, hit your bitch on an accident. I shoot my shot, it's on point, this shit accurate. Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having this weight. been on the song with Dre. It's like an ignition notice when we dropping. Get up. These niggas get moved out they space. Move. 2.5, what's going on 3? But fuck it, cause it's worth the wait. I got the beginning, but I want everything that's on the menu and what's on your plate. I talk to God, he give me the faith. I hit the boy if I need me a drink. I got a Richie that sit on my left, but somehow I always be pulling up late. Aiming on Earth. Ever since I got that rocket chain and took a trip out of space. Ever since run, cause it's not a race. Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Ayy, I'm having my way. Said I ain't having his way. Way I ain't having his way. And like the third nigga I take. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. Think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack, yeah. I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept.
Alright guys, so this is the completed haircut along with me styling my hair. If you're in the Atlanta area, definitely check the description box. I'm going to put all of my barber's information down there. He is the GOAT. Before you head out, definitely be sure that you're subscribed. Give the video a big thumbs up. And I'll see y'all in the next video.
Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah. Okay. Alright, that's fine, okay.